Hello everyone. In today's video, I'm going to show you how we can add the only digit character. So currently in a context, we we can see here in alphabet, but I want to only enter the digit value. So now let we going to editor and select the text field of contact text field, and in the right side we scroll down and we can select filter. It should be digit. And now save. Verify, check, action, submit. We can delete from here. We not required. We just check. Think it should be end session. We just reload the application. Now application is successfully started. Just here, and here I try to enter any character, but it is not accept. I just only digit it would be accept here. So this way we can set in a text field specific character. It would be alphabet and it would be digit, and we can also set any filter, English letter, custom rejects we can also add here, alphanumeric also add here. So if we add the alphanumeric, then numeric and alpha characters both is allowed. When we select a digit, then only digit is allowed, and English letter only English character is allowed. In custom rejects, we can add any pattern, so that would be allowed. So this way we can add any character, any digit, and any custom pattern. This way we can add in a text field.